this video, you will learn how to check the health of your SSD on Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T together. Now, we will use a tool called Smartmontools. It helps you see the health of your storage drives. To install it, type this command in the terminal: sudo apt-update press enter. Then type sudo apt install Smartmontools. Press enter again. If it asks for your password, type it and press enter. After it installs, we can use it to check your SSD. First, you need to find the name of your SSD device. Type this command, lsbulk, press enter. This shows a list of storage devices. Look for the one with a mount point like /, which means it's your main disk. Its name might be something like SDA or NVMe0N1. Now use this command, replacing SDA with the name of your SSD, sudo smartctl, /dev/SDA. This will show a long list of information. Scroll through it and look for a section called Smart Overall Health Self-Assessment Test Result. If it says passed, your SSD is in good health. You can also look at other values like Reallocated Sector Count and Wearleveling count. If these numbers are very high or keep growing over time, it may mean your SSD is starting to wear out. If you're not sure what the numbers mean, it's a good idea to run this command again every few months and compare the results. That's how you check the health of your SSD in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.